You've been on Sermorelin for a month, maybe 3, but you still feel the same, still tired, still struggling with fat loss, sleep still not better. You thinking, is it even working? Before you quit or worse, increase your dose, stop and listen to this video. There are specific reasons why Sermorelin might not be doing what it should be. And today I am giving you the full breakdown. Let's get one thing straight. Sermorelin is not a magic bullet. It doesn't crank up results overnight. It restores your natural hormone rhythm. Month 1, your body just adjusting to it. Month 3, that's where the results should start to show, if you are doing it right. But if nothing's happening by month 3, that's the red flag and you probably got some things to fix. If you are injecting after dinner or snacking late, stop. Insulin blocks the growth hormone. Sermorelin boosts it, but insulin shuts it down. So the rule should be no food 3 hours before you inject. If you eat at 7 p.m., you inject at 10 p.m. and then sleep at 10:30. Eat too close to your dose, you just wasted the dose. Growth hormone surges during deep sleep, like 90 minutes after you fall asleep. If you are dosing it too early or too late, you're missing the window. Best time is about 30 minutes before you go to bed. So if you're sleeping at 10:30 p.m., inject at 10. Morning dosing doesn't work because it just kills your rhythm. Peptide works slow and steady. If you skip doses, sleep in or dose whenever you feel like it, your body won't respond. Best protocol is 5 nights a week and at the same time. Let it build up. Track your sleep. Stick to the plan. No consistency, no result. Period. Sermorelin can save you from 5 hours of sleep and all-day stress. High cortisol blocks growth hormone. If you are wired all night, no amount of peptide can fix it. So chill out, unplug, take magnesium, meditate, fix your sleep hygiene, or Sermorelin won't do a thing. If everything else is dialed in but still no changes, you may just need a dose adjustment. Standard starting dose for Sermorelin is 200 micrograms, but some may need up to 500 micrograms. Always work with your medical provider, not with your gym buddy. And don't just go higher and pray. It's a strategy, not a guesswork. Alright, if it's been 3 months on Sermorelin, your timing's perfect, food is dialed in, sleep's good, dose is good, and still no changes, then maybe Sermorelin isn't for you. You may need a IGF-1 testing. Look at other peptides, address other hormones and vitamin issues. This isn't one-size-fits-all Sermorelin. Sermorelin works, but only when you work with it. If you've been frustrated, I get it, but don't blame the peptide. Check the process. Dial in your routine, stay consistent, and track the data. If this helped you out, hit a subscribe button, leave your question below, and I'll catch you in the next video.